to learn exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing, even if you're a pure beginner, you don't know what topic to choose, and you have no prior experience. Now, I'm Tyler Stokes, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 10 years now, so I've been in your shoes as a beginner, and I know how it feels not knowing what to do next. So I wanted to create a 100% free course to help you get on the right path with affiliate marketing. And to be honest, the strategy that I'm going to reveal in this course is the same strategy that I use to build all my affiliate marketing businesses. By the end of this course, you'll know exactly what you need to do in order to create a full-time income online with affiliate marketing. The course is broken up into 5 video lessons, and it comes with my 5-step blueprint, which is a 50-page report that you can download and use to follow along with the video lessons. Yes, this course is 100% free, and I truly believe that it's going to be worth your time, especially if you're ready to get started building your own online business. So go ahead and look through the description of this course, and I look forward to seeing you inside.